Welcome to HNTV Baguio, our home, our garden. Soil mix recipe with eggshells and green tea leaves. So we have here the ingredients: eggshells, green tea leaves, vermicompost soil, black soil, composted alnus leaves, and pumice. Procedure: roast the eggshells. It is very important to roast the eggshells first so that the bad bacteria like the salmonella will be killed. And then next one, we have to grind the eggshells. Okay, we use the grinder or pound it with the mortar and pestle. I don't have them, so I have this improvised one, so it works. Actually, when ground eggshells are mixed into the soil, they provide your plants with calcium. It is very essential for building healthy cell walls of a plant. It also moderates soil acidity while providing nutrients to the soil. Next one, we have to sun dry the green tea leaves because I received them wet. My friend Manang Helen, they have a business, milk tea business, so I have these ones. And also for the eggs, they give me those because they have a food business. So I have here the black soil and then some composted alnus leaves. Okay, we can add them together and then add the sun-dried green tea leaves. When you add some green tea leaves to your soil, it has nitrogen. Plants grow faster, healthier, and stronger, and they become food for the earthworms. That improves the quality of the soil. Okay, here we're adding the roasted eggshells. As I said a while ago, it moderates soil acidity while providing nutrients to the soil. If you want it powdered, go ahead. Okay, these eggshells will be composted as the plants grow as you use your soil. It is equivalent to lime. They add lime also to the soil so that it will be improved. Here we have here the vermicompost soil. You can add also bat guano or the pure vermicast. All we need to do is mix. It's now ready to use. I divided it into two parts, one for the ornamental plants and the other half is for the succulents and cacti, which I added some pumice. Here we make some pumice, so we just have to mix it and it will be ready to use. Thank you for watching HNTV Baguio Gardening Tips and Vlogs. We believe that all plants grow with love. Teenog, kabasan naman. Pan-like kayo, pan-subscribe kayo. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you. God bless us all.